y'all, I am back by popular demand.
Cap.
With a little twist. Don't mind my forehead. I was traveling, sleeping on my handbag, and the strap handles just marked my face. But get into my travel outfit. But yeah, I'm just on here to let you guys know that I'm going to be starting posting again. However, it's just gonna be one time daily because I realized that the shorts are not getting much views, and the review by most persons is just saying that they rather me do longer videos. So yeah, I'm just coming on here to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing regular programming basically, because the other day the only change that I made was to just post shorts on Mondays, and then I posted my regular videos on Fridays. So from now going forward, it is just going to be me posting only on Fridays 6 p.m. sharp. And guys, don't worry about me being inconsistent, because I do have the videos already prepared for y'all. So it's just for me to edit and post them. Also, you're gonna see this video now, then I'm going to be in the same outfit for the purpose of me being in this outfit in another video all the way down the line. Don't pay attention to that. I'm just here to bear good news. So yeah, this that I'm going to be posting will be on July 1st, just to give you guys an update. Then from July 1st, continuing every Friday onwards, I'm gonna be posting. So yeah, for sure. I told her she's sexy. She said period purr. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and I feel so cute or whatever. Tomorrow my birthday, y'all. Tomorrow is my birthday in this video. So I'm making this video on June the 27th. I don't want this to be long drawn out or anything, because it's literally just an update to let you guys know that I'm going to start posting how I used to post before the last versions of my post. But yeah, thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support to my A1s, my day ones. Mwah. If you're just joining, mwah, mwah. Walk good. Love you guys. Peace.
May I have your attention, please?